Hello. Say good morning. This is Majesty, people. Majesty thinks he's human sometimes. Yes, he does. Then he thinks he's a dog. Yes. Let me see if I can prove to you. Sometimes he's a little camera shy and he won't look at the camera. Or he's just a little stubborn and he won't do what I need him to do. But you'll be seeing a lot of him on my YouTube channel. Excuse me. Excuse me. Majesty. Hello. Who's the good boy? Majesty. Can I get your attention over here, please? Majesty. Well, I guess this is one of these mornings where he does not want to cooperate. Hello? Yes. Look at me. Oh, Jesus. Normally he loves the camera, but I think he's paying attention to the light, more or less. Lights off. Come here. Good boy. Now look all the way around. Come here. Selfie? You want to take a selfie? He loves to take selfies. Yes, he does. There's people in the hallway walking around. That's why other things are catching his attention. Noises and all kinds of stuff is going on. Yes. Oh, Jesus. You know, this is the laziest cat. Y'all. Every morning, this is what I wake up to, guys. I wake up to the cat sitting on my nightstand table. So I'm having my coffee, and the cat is sitting next to my coffee. And he doesn't want to say hello to the camera today. For some reason, he's giving us the back of his head, like, I don't know why. But I'm going to end this video here. And, I don't know. I'm going to be uploading some more videos later on. I haven't really done, too many videos. But, yeah. I'm going to be doing some vlogging of my daily life and what I deal with. But yeah, so let me just attempt one more time to get him to turn around. He's a really cute cat, but Majesty, you want to say hi to the people? Huh? Excuse me. Hello? Hello? Majesty. Majesty. Well, he doesn't want to say hi to y'all this morning. So we're just going to end this video. He's busy being nosy. Hello? Alright.